All right, members. I greet all of you in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. I welcome you to this session, and this one is elimination method, and I have put down for you the procedure, but I will not go through them, but I'll go through them when I'm calculating this number. So in this second method of ours, we are going to be looking at how we can eliminate one of the unknown. The first procedure they have told you is that we label these equations. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. And then the second is telling us that we choose an unknown in one of the equations and multiply the equation by a factor or factors so that this unknown has the same coefficient in both equations. What do they mean? They mean, for example, if I've selected my an unknown x, and I want to make the coefficient, they mean the number that will be here in front, to look the same as this one. So I have to find a factor such that I multiply throughout this equation, and then I will have made this equation look like this one. So in this case, I have selected my x and I have selected my equation 1. So I'll come and say, I'll say multiply equation 1 by 2. So when I'm multiplying that equation 1 by 2, I will say 2, I open bracket, x plus 2y is equal to 8, I close bracket. Do you see that? So that now this one is 2 times x, I get 2x. 2 times 2y, I get 4y. 2 times 8, I get 16. And this is my equation 3. So you observe that this equation, I have just increased it by 2 because I can take it back, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2 throughout. So the whole thing is I'm trying to make this one look the same as this one. Hope that one is somewhat clear. Okay? So in that case, we have now equation 3, which is 2x plus 4y equaling 16. And then I have 2x plus 3y equaling to 14. That is my equation 2. So in this case, I just now subtract the two equations. Are we together? And subtracting means I just create this and I put here my subtraction sign. I will say 2x minus 2x will give me a 0. 2x minus 2x give me a 0. I say 4y minus 3y. See how I'm following? 4y minus 3y will give me a y. Is that one clear? Then I'll come here after equal sign. 16 minus 14. 16 minus 14 is equal to 2. Therefore, I will say y is equal to 2. So here they're saying eliminate this unknown from the two equations by subtracting or adding. For my case, I have subtracted because these two have the same signs. I cannot add. If I add, I will keep accumulating. For example, if I add, this one will give me 4x plus 7y, which will not give me the answer. So what they have said is, now get this one, substitute in equation 2. Are we together? Equation 1. You can put it in any of the equations to get the one that you eliminated. Remember here, we have decided to eliminate x. In this case, we have eliminated x and we have found y. Are we together? Which simply means I now get my x plus 2y equaling to 8. Wherever there is y, I put there a 2. X plus 2 times 2 equals 8. X plus a 4 is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 minus a 4. X is equal to 4. Are we together? Therefore, I will have found my point, which is xy equaling to my 4. Okay? My 4. And then my 2. And if you want to prove substitute this point in one of the equations. For example, our x is 4, put a 4 here, plus a 2 times 2, which is a 4 plus 4, giving you 8. And therefore we say it is correct. So eliminating is very simple. And we're going to do one more example, and then we see how we can go about it. Thank you for watching. Let us look for another example. So members, we have the second example, which is very interesting. They are saying using elimination method to solve this equation. So here you have to use common sense very well. One of the things here when you look at this equation is these equations are mixed up. Okay, so we have to rearrange them in a way we have unknowns on one side and the knowns on another side. What do I mean? When you look at equation 1, equation 1 is showing you that here we need to bring this 2y into this side. So that means I do what? I rearrange. Now rearranging means I look at equation 1, which is x equaling to 8 minus 2y. So I bring this guy this side. And you know when he crosses the equal signs, he will become a positive, which means I will have x plus 2y equaling to 8. That is my equation 1. I have first worked on it, rearranging. When I look at this equation, the second equation, I observe that it is mixed up as well, which is 2x minus 14 equaling to negative 3y. So here, minus wasting much of your time, it is very easy. What I do is I bring this guy this side and I take this one the other side. Is that one clear? So this one will give me 2x. So members, that means this one will become a positive plus 3y equaling to 14. 14 has become a what? It has become a positive. This is an equation 2 in a rearranged order. So we have x plus 2y is equal to 8. And then we have 2x plus 3y equaling to 14. And members, when you are using elimination method, make sure here these unknowns up and down, they are the same unknown. If you have found here there is y, it means there is a problem. You have to rearrange. For example, if I had 3y here plus 2x, I would first rearrange it in a way x, x, y, y. Is that one clear? So make sure you observe that one when you're using elimination method. Rearrange very well in this format. Up, down, not mixed stuff. And from here you know very well what you're supposed to do. We look for a factor to put here such that we can be able to eliminate. Are we together? And here it is very simple. We can still eliminate x because I put a 2 here and I multiply it through out. So from equation 1, okay, so I multiply equation 1 by what? By 2. Is that one clear? So I come and I say 2 into x plus 2y equaling to 8. So this one will multiply to give us 2x, 4y to give us 16. So that means we have an equation 2x plus 4y is equal to 16. And then we have the other equation which we do not touch. This one which we do not touch altogether, which is 2x plus 3y equaling to 14. Okay, so you observe that when I subtract, because these signs are the same, you give me a 0, you give me a y, you give me a 2. So y is equal to 2. So it is the same number like we did in the previous, but just I wanted to show you what if the number has been mixed up. What do? You rearrange and then you come up with an answer. So this 2, you substitute it in any of the equation. So we have x plus 2y is equal to 8. This 2 is put here, x plus 2 times 2 is equal to 8. X plus a 4 is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 minus 4. Bring this one this side. So x is equal to 4. So your answer is this and that. And you have finished. Are we together? So that is the elimination method. The next you'll do the exercise and then life continues. So the last method which we shall look at our level will be the graphical method, which most people get confused, and I will break down for you that method and you'll never have any problem again. So just watch, be with me, and you will learn more. But help me and subscribe. Click on that red button. Thank you. Yes, please make sure you click on that red button. Don't just view. Please help me and subscribe. It is just the red button down. Are we together? We are trying to improve these lessons and we shall get the beautiful ones anytime. Thank you.